Yeah. You know that song? Love me, na 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 na. If you don't old, you will know that song. Now for some people, we don't take, we don't, they are good in the whole thing. Maiwa, welcome our beautiful people, they're waiting for our house.
Hello, beautiful people waiting for house. We welcome you, come Padi today. And me and my guy, my G, my partner, my darling, my guy in the ministry, my friendship, my partner in the commissioning, my everything, my fight partner, my role partner, my Wazobia partner, all in one. We are greeting you that welcome to the show. And we hope that with these few points of ours, we have convinced you Padi is something that you really don't want to miss. Welcome.
Why are you fooling yourself? Actually, you talk some sensible things, but still feel like say you not talk something way sensible.
No, you see, it's because you always see me in a hyper way.
Yeah.
So I decided to calm down.
So why you calm down?
Because peace only me.
Peace is only.
Yeah.
So if you shout,
I can't be too excited. Yes.
No,
don't do that because I cannot laugh. Hey. Stop it!
Anyway, Una, welcome on top of the show. How everybody take day, and somehow we don't bring ourselves come here again.
This thing don't come out.
This one no good stay for my.
My chori don't come out.
Chori don't come out. Show these girls now. See, ladies, please.
Don't come out.
Huh?
Don't come out.
You don't come out. Ladies, please.
Don't fall. Come on, I got my gum. I've been gum one does for my nose.
Just love yourself the way you are. You understand? For some people, natural self, and you don't want to see their natural self. Some people are better off pretending than their natural self.
I know, right?
So, because some people, inside their pretense, they behave themselves, they hold themselves back. But you're going to say, just be yourself, they can't show you evil.
Don't be yourself. There are some people you cannot tell, don't be yourself. Some people wicked.
Some people, their natural state.
Some people, they are... What's the problem of this thing? Why this thing always change my lipstick? What do you see so? Don't be pink, you see so.
I say like this now.
You change them to purple.
Purple day for your mask.
Not pink, day.
Na purple.
Not deep pink.
This one. Na purple.
It's not purple.
Say you're just small. Say just small. You mean chicken? My own job. Okay,
but you know say this show don't start. We just do anyhow. It be like
no verse.
It be like we don't know what they do.
Really, but actually we know what we they do. Okay, we know what we they do.
Yeah.
So right now we'll go on break quickly, just like they do.
When we come back, we're going to sing for you.
Yeah. Special number for you guys.
It's our specialty. We love to sing. We're singist. We singing, but present continuous. We're singing. What you just do now? You feel this is what you do now. For your mind now, you get sense.
I just they do acrobatics. Nothing say with the for this country.
You do and do and do.
Some of us did. If they say I get space here now, if I do things for you here, my own.
Oh yeah, I do acrobatics.
Now space 9 no day. Now space 9 no day. If not, I do one handstand 3 backflip. One handstand 3 backflip. You don't understand them. It's not for shallow-minded for this area.
You're my wobe on you run your.
No, there won't be anything. In my years, as an acrobatic guy.
Like news.
Lion.
Lancaster.
Liability,
they lie.
No, but they do amo. We just call them obodo. You throw obodo.
Okay, so we had a song for you.
Area kids. All right, we'll sing for us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we're about to sing for you guys, all right? So. And
this song is for the people in the diaspora.
In the diaspora, away from this country.
Yes, away from this country, away from this Nigeria country where we did. It's a song sung by the veteran,
Lagbaja. Yes. It's
called Never, Ever, Ever Far Away.
Never, ever, ever, ever far away.
Wherever I go, wherever you are, baby, you're never far away. You rock with my mind. Wherever I go. run away from me, yeah, yeah, yeah. You run away, so mama. Thank you. That's called an orchestra.
Thank you.
Or something. It's orchestra, isn't it?
It's orchestra.
Yeah, orchestra. That's called an orchestra. Yeah. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yandi yan.
Yandi, yeah.
Yandi.
Thank you.
Namaste. Yandi yan.
Namaste. Yeah.
Chinese man.
Uses single bamboo stick as a raft to cross large river on his way to work. This particular man, Chinese man, he walk for the other side of the village. So, like a river, now they connect the two
Villages.
ends, you see. So he come back from work one day, one night, and him miss the last boat where they move them. Not being as the guy reach the river, say, oh, boat have go.
Oh.
I just catch one bamboo raft. He just see one bamboo stick. He say, this is the, it can work. Say, me. Work. Now the man carry the bamboo stick. See the river. He throw and there. The first attempt, it no work. This man used 2 years take learn this thing. 2 years. Now, he don't bomb boats. What's it concern am on boat? Now, so in the cross and they go walk every day. He go put one for front. For inside the river, use the other one. They use them as paddle. The man can say, look, it's not really hard. He said, the leg, he can't talk and he talk, say, okay. All right, make I read that man for you. The way we explain them. He said the leg you put forward carries the center of the body weight. That one are the first leg where you first put for it on top of the something. You understand? So you should use it to step on the bamboo pole evenly. Then you use the big toe of your other leg to stop the stick from rolling in water. As long as you achieve a balance and stop the bamboo from turning, it's possible to cross the river. I have done it. But you need a bamboo stick of about 13 feet in length in order to gain enough buoyancy. You just step onto the bamboo and take advantage of the forces of the current and wind. He said, this is ni hao.
So now we rain on the farm for Lagos. And for my area where they collect flood. Please get a bamboo stick.
Yeah.
Get a bamboo and it work for you.
But the guy said you use 2 years to balance on top of more.
You can start now.
Okay, in 2018.
One day you
in
go,
2018.
you make us proud.
I go do all right.
One of these very days. One day you also come, you also say, you not drive, come. Say, man, my bamboo. I bambooed all the way.
I bambooed all the way. I just want you to know that. I just need people to understand that people, they do things. People, they find means. May you not be hit into a situation that you have to find a means anyhow. Because the truth be say, at all, my brother, I'm bad pass. Once you try something, it will work.
So just try it out and do something different for once.
But we not say maybe they use bamboo, they cross.
Anything is possible. If you be slippers, go work for you. With consistency and persistence, you can make it happen. Just put slippers, they float for water now, Abi. Just put them down. Stand on it. You put the big foot forward. Abi, the guy they talk.
Keep quiet. Keep on saw what he say. Jews are come. You correction yourself. You my little something, the Jews have went to me.
All right. So
I you judge this sparker.
No be
cannot even spark it.
Spark this speak. Now, what this they say they do arrange marriage for this country?
Yes.
They still do arrange marriage. Where people go, where person they are away.
They still do arranged marriages, yes, by all means.
So that means, well, that means for years, one way or the other, you don't see the person's face. maybe they'll send picture, maybe the person they are away, they'll come send picture, say, see, I'm
Some people even say marriage with picture.
No, that one, I don't see some of the, wow.
Things they.
If I not fish up lips, that day, I know.
You may kiss the bride. Oh, kiss the bride. You may kiss the bride. Oh, kiss the bride.
Allow me to kiss your hand.
I like to do that.
Man, no, I understand.
Yeah. It's quite something physical is quite
physical
better than
is important.
Because when they say picture, you may kiss the bride. It's not really working. The read story like play. Too like play. Wait, they taste the paper.
It's salt the top.
God. Oh Lord, you're disgusting.
Okay, so my own gist now, based on the arranged marriage things and where I talk about just now. First time China, now this one happened. And this young guy, 33 years old, Kang Hu. They all carry one babe. In parents arrange one babe for her. Say, now your wife be this, but the guy don't see picture. He don't see anything. They say, no worry, we'll shock you on that day. We'll surprise you on that day. They can't bring 30 years old Nasung. Nasung, yeah. So on that day, so when you go reach where you may now unveil the bride. As you face the babe, as you come out the veil. When the guy see Nasung, he do, here, hello, Chimo. And the guy say, no be who I resist I go marry be this. So he say her face not there okay for me. She not find rich. She not there enough for my image where I don't try uphold for the economy. You can carry this kind of thing, give me, I not marry. Then wedding scatter. Before you know it, Kang-Hu don't run go river. He say, I want to kill myself. Now he jump. Boom! Land inside the river. Because say, I will die here. See him. I will die here. Why you carrying that ugly babe? God give me, say, make I marry. Parents, are you not Christians?
Wow.
What's wrong with you? See, he won't kill himself. He won't kill himself. Say, man, no. Say, I cannot take this anymore. Before paramedics, they can't come, ambulance people, they can't come, say, okay. They can't treat him, they do one or two things. He not still die, we thank God. But, he say, as he be like this now, he almost decided to kill himself. He decided to kill himself, say, because his parents carry ugly babe give him. We know they good enough for his image based on arrangement.
You know the funny thing, sweetheart, is he talk, say, his parents don't arrange him, and he no feel, say, anything they will if you do about him than to commit suicide.
Yes.
That means, say, arranged marriage is not a big deal. Once they don't arrange person for you, you do not have a right to say no.
That for the place they already arrange, give.
No, I'm talking about this, of course.
Their own people.
I mean, for them to even arrange it for you, that means it's a rule or is it? Because I know some parts of Indians, they still do arrange. In fact, then go find girl, na picture, they go show the family, say, see this babe, una like her, come and marry him.
They even book down for this side of the country.
Then they do them.
They book down.
Then they do them.
You 10 years old, that they wait.
Please, my daughter is married. Some people they use and steal business deals.
Yes, that's not business most times. Sometimes na family measuring things. Sometimes na collabo. Where different families want to collabo for them.
That's why this guy go commit suicide, because he knows say it is either the girl or face the wrath of his parents.
And then the guy go down the think and I say, hey. Which kind of children I want born now?
Who knows? Maybe the guy they friend you him.
Maybe you're here now.
Maybe you're here there for side.
Before, he can't look say,
he don't look you here saying you here, I can't. My parents have looked for me bride. So now they can't bring the girl, my guy went off.
You're here now, go down the house now, you're here, they're happy. Hey! Una see. See. They don't go carry gorilla give her now. Me, I did here, complete, everything done right. No, see me. Now go carry gorilla.
She'll call the guy. Uncle, Shebi, I tell you, you say no. Ni ha, the guy will don't kill yourself. That's what the babe go they laugh am now.
Understand? Meanwhile, this one now we carry her face come.
You get feedback. You say, hey, because I'm ugly.
My God.
Yeah, this life is a pot of soup.
Just have one, either money or looks. Shall try get one. If you know say you know to try for your facial things, try whole money.
The same way for women, try get one. Looks or brains. If you mix the two, that's just perfect.
Yes, sir.
Alpha, Beta, Captain. Oh, Allah. Oh, Allah.
Please don't try it at home.
Oh, Allah. I want.
Yeah, go.
I want him.
Go now, go. Go now.
Give me him.
Him give. Take him. Take him. You can have him and you are okay. Sorry. You enjoy your hobby? Women, the thing with the sweet tuna is different.
Now I'm daydreaming.
The thing with the sweet tuna different. Tomorrow, now like my way get money. Next tomorrow, now they jump up and down. I don't just know what I even want for this life.
It's so gorgeous. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm going to China tomorrow.
I beg you.
Buy my ticket.
Pack load.
All right, so here's the thing. If you know, say you there for inside Lagos State and you there watch us on top of Wazobia Max, now time for you to enjoy the dividends of watching us. How? Because our Homa, they work up and down to give people different gifts. All right, today will be day 3, then they work out for different places. Then they work out for different places. All right, then they for inside Idimu, then they for inside Ikotu. Then there is Sherry and Ijegun. Today will be the 3rd day. Idemu, Ikotu, Isheri, and Ijegun. All right. So anywhere where you see them, flag them down. They will just ask you a small question, and you go win different things for inside Wazobia Max Homa. So no dull yourself. All right. Just enjoy the flow. But that guy though. I don't come on a fake. Give us
you
love.
me. No, you get one small one. They're supposed to do Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Just in case you want to take a very risky kind of move, you understand? Just go Zimbabwe, go enjoy one thing. They say they call the devil's pool. The devil's pool for Zimbabwe. See how? Now pool where they close to where water they fall for waterfall. You know go fall come out too, but you're only for the edge there. So for people who like risk, see where that woman did now, rock there for her back. So you know if it fall over. So the pool just there for corner. Oh, Oyibo. And they went to see black man who go try this thing for a life. Because as I the water like this now. Just in case. What if that day? Black man go say, maybe one day.
2 minutes silence, not safe one.
Make on go be say, that day, now the rock for the edge can go fall. Now the black man excuse.
I know fit.
But this is very scary, Sha. The thing they fear person. For
we don't tell you now, you want to go to Zimbabwe, go and water.
Just go and try. They call them the devil's pool, a small lagoon where they're enclosed by rocks. And Zimbabwe. Thank you very much. So laugh the laugh right about now.
Yes, give us laugh the laugh. All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi. Follow us on top Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, every of the above. Just follow us. We did here for you live and direct. And don't forget it today, if you did for inside the city of Lagos, our Wazobia Max Homa, they work out up and down. And then they for inside Idimu, Ikotsu, Isheri, and Ijegun today. We be waiting, we be Wednesday for inside the month of May. Ogbi. Do you have anything else you want to say to that?
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you. We love all of you. Take care of yourself. Maya Wanogbolo signing out. All right, see you tomorrow. Peace, y'all.
Okay, but I really want that guy, though.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.